welcome to my channel, Budget for Success. Woo! And today we've got good vibes only, good vibes only. Come on, baby, come on. We got good vibes only, we only have good vibes. Woo, y'all. How you doing today? My name is Onyx, and today we are going to cash stuff my love binder. So let's get started. Choom. So let's see how much money we have today. 50, 70, 90. Oh boy, here we go. Let's just do this. Hey guys, know your limits. Today I'm a little tired. So 50 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 5, 10, 15, 2, 4, 6. So 211. We are cash stuffing $211 today. Woo! If you saw my previous video, you know I got this button. Every time I make money or save, my husband and I, we push this button. Make money or save, push the button. Okay, we got a lot of new savings challenges in this beautiful binder here because we finished a lot of savings challenges, if you recall, if you were here. And so today, it's just like we're starting new. We're starting new. Come aboard, we're expecting you. The Love Boat. Okay, I'm aging myself because some of you don't know about the Love Boat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, thank you. This is Danny at Craft Co Budgets. Thank you, Danny. This was very nice. It was a 1. And let's see. 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. Wow, these are generous. I like this. 3. Oh boy, I gotta clean all this up. And then 2. Okay, so that's $10. And I think we'll stop there and we can come back later if we want. You know me and scratch them. I don't scratch too much. Now we roll the dice. This is a cutie patootie. This is for Onyx and Bunny. And we rolled a 2. Let's see what else we got. And another 2. That's $4. That looks good. And here's $4. So now we have $14. Okay, this is a cutie. This is Mother's Day, and I said I was going to be generous on this one and do a roll of G12. I was like, I'm going to live. This is Mother's Day. I'm living on the edge. Oh, look at there, and I got an 11. So this is also in my Ko-Fi shop, this Mother's Day challenge. See, she got a little dollar sign. So that's $11, and I don't have change. Oh boy, I hate to roll again. Let's try it. Let's live on the edge. 9. Okay, that's kind of perfect. How did that work out so perfectly? So that's $20. I forgot I don't have a lot of change in these envelopes because we pulled this money out. We finished these savings challenges and pulled the money. That money is in the bank, earning interest. This next challenge is right here. This is my happy anniversary challenge. This is from Hopping in the Budgets with Bunny. So it's just saved $50. So that's what this $50 bill is right here. We're going to save $500 for our anniversary. So that's this envelope. That's simple. Boom. Roses are red. So this is with Diane. And it looks like I was rolling just 1 dice. And so I rolled a 3. And a 2, which is 5. And I have a $5 bill, so let's stop here. So far we have $22. I love this. This is Lady Di. I said Diane. I don't know. Is that Lady Di's name? I don't know. But this is a beautiful savings challenge. Roses are forever and so is our love. And that looks like me and my hubby just looking into each other's eyes. I love that savings challenge. And then this is another cute one where you just mark off the lockets. So I have a $2 bill here, so I'm going to mark off a 2. Whoops. So we just mark off a 2. And now we have 12. All right. Now we only have $20 to work with on every challenge, so we got to find $20. So this is from Busy Lizzie, because she's busy. I like her name. She named herself Busy Lizzie, so it was like she was proclaiming it, putting it out to the atmosphere that she is going to be busy making money. Yes. So let's do $20. So we're going to do 10 there, and I'm going to color this in later. And I'm going to do 5 here, and then another 5 here. I want to color it in nice, so we're going to color it in later. There we go, $20 for Busy Lizzie. So now, Busy Lizzie has $20, $35, $36 for Valentine's Day. This is love. I don't know if it's going to Valentine's Day, but we're going to save. Okay, now this is the Panda. This is Save with Judy. So we got 6 and 4. All right, that's 10. And 5, so we're at 15, and 4, 19. How about we just stay at 19, and that way we have 20. We can put 20 in and put extra in. So now, Save with Judy has $42. 42 bucks. And then this one is Simply Living Saves, and I said each letter was $2. So let's see. Love is in the air. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I can finish all of the letters. All right. I'll leave these markers out so I can use them. As soon as I turn the camera off, I'm going to my color mode. So we're going to put $20 in here. You get a 20. And you get a 20. And then this one, another Save with Judy. This is a freebie. So we're going to do $20. All of these colors so I don't lose track. That's $20. $20. So now Save with Judy has $42. $42. It's like we're starting from fresh, starting from the beginning. So we still have $40 left. We cannot do here because that's 50. I think I'm gonna save it for my other savings challenge, my food. I'm gonna save it for my food binder. That's what I'm going to do because I feel complete. I saved $10 there, $4 there. We started Mother's Day with a bang. Roses are red, got good money. Yep, that's it. We are done with our fun. I am going to go color. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have fun coloring. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I encourage you. I know it's a lot of work when we put our videos together, and sometimes it may feel like it's a job, like, let me get this video out, let me do this video. But I'm going to encourage you to have fun with your videos. Like, I'm going to stop the video and color, and I'm going to have some fun coloring. And so that's really, it's fun. It's like you're saving to have fun, which encourages you to save, and you're recording your journey so you can be held accountable, but have fun with it. Enjoy it. Make it exciting. Hey, right? So if you like this video and you want more fun, have fun videos, you want to come hear me hit my button because I saved some money, like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success. Bye for now.